The importance of education. Education is the cornerstone of a healthy society. From a young age, it shapes us, guiding our understanding of the world and our place in it. Let's explore why education matters so much. Firstly, education is essential for personal development. It equips us with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate life. Think of basic math and literacy. Without these, everyday tasks like shopping or reading a bus schedule would be impossible. More advanced subjects, like science and history, broaden our horizons and help us understand the world's complexities. Education also fosters critical thinking, allowing us to analyze information, make informed decisions, and solve problems. Secondly, education promotes equality. It's a great leveler, providing everyone, regardless of their background, with the opportunity to succeed. When people have access to quality education, they can rise above their circumstances, breaking the cycle of poverty and creating a better life for themselves and their families. This, in turn, reduces social inequalities and promotes a more just and fair society. Moreover, education is vital for economic growth. A well-educated workforce is a key driver of innovation and productivity. When people are educated, they can acquire better jobs, which leads to higher earnings and improved standards of living. Educated individuals are also more likely to start businesses, contributing to economic development and job creation. In this way, education fuels both individual and national prosperity. Education also has significant social benefits. It promotes civic engagement and social cohesion. Educated people are more likely to vote, volunteer, and participate in community activities. They are also more tolerant and understanding of different cultures and perspectives, which fosters a more inclusive and harmonious society. In essence, education builds the fabric of a well-functioning, democratic society. Additionally, education is crucial for health and well-being. It empowers individuals to make healthier choices, reducing the risk of diseases and improving overall life expectancy. Educated parents are more likely to ensure their children receive vaccinations and proper nutrition, breaking the cycle of poor health and poverty. Education also provides the knowledge needed to navigate healthcare systems, leading to better health outcomes for individuals and communities. Another critical aspect of education is its role in advancing technology and science. Educated minds drive innovation, leading to new discoveries and inventions that improve our quality of life. From medical breakthroughs to technological advancements, education is at the heart of progress. It equips individuals with the skills to push boundaries, solve complex problems, and create solutions that benefit society as a whole. Let's not forget the personal fulfillment that comes from education. Learning new things can be incredibly rewarding, sparking curiosity and a love for knowledge that lasts a lifetime. Education enriches our lives, providing us with a deeper understanding of the world and ourselves. It allows us to pursue our passions and achieve our dreams, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. In conclusion, education is fundamental to personal growth, equality, economic development, social cohesion, health, and innovation. It opens doors, breaks down barriers, and builds a better future for individuals and societies. Investing in education is investing in a brighter, more prosperous, and equitable world. The impact of education is far-reaching, touching every aspect of our lives and shaping the world we live in.